Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm with Hannah, and last time we're still on the boat, on the same boat. We're still in Maryland. You can see we're in the boat. Yeah, it's part 2 of the boat challenges and stuff. You know, if the loser there, you know, is back there. You have to sit in the very back of the boat, and he goes full throttle. My dad, and yeah.
Daddy won't do that.
So if you go first to chicken out, has to sit in the back, and the loser there. Hannah's there.
There might be like a lot of parts.
Yeah, Hannah's there. What's this? To come back here, side of the boat, hang on to this rail and stick your head out like that for 2 minutes. So, I'm just waiting. Hannah, yes, you can take a picture. You can take a picture, it's fine. Alright, so Hannah's taking a picture with her parents. I already did that. Waves back there are awesome. Hannah's like going absolutely crazy. Alright, Hannah, time starts now. 2 minutes. Alright, so 3 minutes away. Our resort's back there. All the way back there. Back there. It's a huge building. I don't know if you can see it, but we're approaching on it. And Hannah's so go, stick your head out. She has to stick her head out. There she goes. So we're approaching. We have to go back at 2:30. It's only like 2:10. We have like 20 minutes left. So still going. A little bit farther. Stick your head out a little farther. Oh, I told her to stick it out a little farther, and she did it. All right, you got 1 minute left. Just 1 minute left. But she's seasick and she's about to throw up. I'm gonna put my sunglasses back on. It's getting crazy. Alright, the hotel's back there. Hannah's over there. Oh, whoa. There's a big bird on that thing over there. There's a bird living in that. Where'd it go? That thing right there. There's a bird in it. So, Hannah, you have 30 seconds. So, I don't know, I lost a resort. Oh, it's back there. I don't know what we're doing. What are we doing?
I want to see the seagull.
She wants to see it, so my mom wants to see it. So, we're going to do that. We're going to go back. Seagull. Alright. Hannah has like 10 seconds left. Oh, it's going to wave me. Man, it's on the side. Woo, here we go.
Up, right?
No, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, we're bouncing up. You're good.
Alright, now I know. Mommy, can Connor sit there for a dare? For a dare.
I have to sit.
Out.
Sit where? What's my dare? What's my dare? What's my dare?
Oh, wait. Actually, Mommy, you can sit back down.
Okay, never mind.
Why?
I don't know. Oh, Jesus. Fell hard. Alright, Hannah, what's my dare?
You're there.
Hold on.
To do the same thing I did, but for 4 minutes.
Alright.
Can I hold the camera?
Yeah, I can hold the camera. Don't stop recording, please.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take off my sunglasses.
Alright, so right now, Connor, as you can see, Connor is about to do the same thing I just did. But bro, man, it is scary when you go like up and down.
What minute is that?
4 minutes.
Alright, 8 minutes.
Alright, see him? At 8 minutes, he'll be able to stop. I'm just chilling and relaxing while he's, well, he normally gets nervous about these things, so.
Oh my God.
See? But speed it up! Faster!
Oh,
I'm telling my dad to go faster to make his dare more serious. As you can see right now, I'm gonna show you him. Oh my God, I can barely stand up. Okay. See Connor right there?
sit down. Hannah, sit down with my phone.
Alright. As you can see, right there, Connor,
Is it at?
still 4 minutes.
Alright, that's right.
Connor is literally dying, it seems like. Well, I don't think I he's dying. Wait, like, bro, it's going fast. You gotta stay like that for another 30 minutes. So, again, like I said, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And at the end, like that video, maybe comment down below right now who you think is gonna win. Should have said that in part 1. Comment down below who you think is gonna win. He took down!
I took the L, dude. It was getting up and down. My arms started to fall.
Again, 2 L's make a W, but you don't know when that W's gonna come in.
Alright, chill. Alright, our resort is over there. So we still have a little bit of time, it's 5 minutes. Dude, I couldn't do it. My arms started falling asleep, and the water was getting my nose. It was awful. So I'm gonna go back in the back of the boat for the rest of the trip until we get back and park the boat. So I'm gonna wait for him to slow down a little bit, and then I'll go back down. It's going all the way in the back.
Yes.
And we're sitting down in the back of the boat. That's the motor right there.
I'll go a little bit faster.
So he has to go pretty fast. I'm in the back right now. No, seriously, no joke, I'm in the back. It's the motor and stuff. Yo. I can't hold on to anything, but I can lean on stuff. Don't want to say anything about that. Alright, so we still have time. Woo. For the rest of the ride, I have to do this. Literally, I might move back. Oh my god. Hannah! Not going so well down here. Not going well. Alright, I'm gonna try and get back up. Oh, please don't go fast while I'm getting up. Please don't go fast while I'm getting up. I'm gonna show you guys the waves again. Alright, so I'm literally in the back of the boat right there. Look at the waves in the motor. It's right there. It's legit. I can go back a little farther, but if I go back on like the seat here, there's no back, so I can't do it. Whew. So this is as far as I can go. It's slowing down.
Hang on, Daddy has to turn.
Yeah, slow and steady, slow and steady. Thank God it doesn't chill fast, because I'd be going, yay. No, the motor turned on. It's back on. Oh no, here we go. He's headed towards the resort, I think. We're headed towards the resort, I don't know. He's gonna speed up. So there's a lot of boats around, so we're slowing down. I mean, it's not that bad. Pretty fun. Oh, Hannah has this evil smile on. She's like, just wait for it.
It's part of the dare.
Alright, so this is easy. Loser Dare's not even hard anymore, so he's barely going fast. Okay, now he's going fast. Once he gets out of the waves, I think he's going full throttle. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna sit in one of those seats, like right here. Yo. I'm on. Yo. Dude, this is freaking scary. I'm right by the motor, dude. Oh, dude, we're going fast. Look at this. We're going fast. We're going fast, boys. We're going fast.
Sit down.
I am sitting down.
Actually,
Alright, Hannah wants me to sit down, but that was even more scarier than it was here, so come on, go.
Actually, sit back up.
Hannah wants me to go back up. Yo. The waves don't know what to do. They're crossing each other now. I'm so close to the motor, I have to yell. I mean, look at this. Look at it. Water's in my face. Oh my god, there's sand. Oh my god. Let's go faster. Oh my god, back towards the result. We're going to Hannah Lost faster. Holy smokes, we're going so fast. The wind is blowing in my face so hard. Anna's enjoying it while I'm in pain and my hand's slipping off the rail. Anna's going. She took 3 dubs in a row. I will get her back. Don't worry, guys.
No, he won't.
Anna says no, I won't, but I will. Don't worry. If you think I will, smash the like button. All right, we're back towards the resort. Few more minutes though, so. Yo, the waves are like so high. Look at it. They're so high. If I could almost touch them. It's insane. I'm tired.
Oh yeah. Look at the plane, guys.
Plane up there. Back somewhere back there, but somewhere back there. But we're heading back towards the resort. I don't know what time it is, but it's probably about 2:20, 2:17 or something like that. So this isn't really a good there, but I'm trying to look around and see what else there is that I can do. This is crazy. Wow. So, I think it was more crazier when I was down low, so I'm gonna go back down low. It was crazier down here. I was bouncing around. They saw. Alright. Yo, it's vibrating pretty hard down here. Because I'm by the motor. It's crazy. We have 5 minutes left. So it's probably gonna be like 18 minutes. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe. I know it wasn't that much, but let you down, let it again. Let you down, but I'm trying, dude. I'm trying to win, but don't worry, I'll get her. I'll win. I'll win, don't worry, and yeah. I know it wasn't much, and the dare wasn't crazy, but still. It was fun. Maybe you guys enjoyed the video, maybe you didn't, I don't know. But posting a lot. Just like I said in my first ever YouTube video. Oh, down there. So I'm gonna stand up in the back. Alright, hold on, give me a minute. Alright, I got you guys back. Hannah was up here chilling. Where's Hannah? Where's Hannah? Oh, there's Hannah. Alright, so I'm standing up in the back. The very, very back. Our resort's like literally right there. There's the pier where we're gonna go into. The waves behind me are insane on the sides too. It's crazy. This was really fun. Look at the bridge back there. Fun time, and if you want.
Oh, cool! Look.
Oh, look at this plane. Oh, it's a plane.
Show it.
It's taking off.
Did you get it?
Wow,
it's
that's
taken.
awesome.
It's literally just taken off where it landed. So I think I got him. Not sure. It's over there. It's super low. Yeah, it's that big dot back there, like over here somewhere. It's awesome going by the bridge. So you might want to get off your phone and not crash to the pier. So we have to go return this boat now. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was crazy. It's crazy as you can see. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hannah, if you want to say anything real quick.
Like the video if you enjoyed it. Comment down below who you thought was gonna win.
I know.
And
Perfect
subscribe and turn on post
You got a
notifications.
picture?
Anything else besides that? Because that's really all you say every time. You want to say anything about you winning or something? Like how you feel?
See, 2 L's make a dub, but you don't know when they're gonna come in. Just remember that.
Yep, so Hannah's super happy. So that's the video.
Oh, and his dub is never gonna come in.
Yeah, we'll see about that. I'm winning the next one, don't worry. I will be posting later. I'll win the next one, don't worry. Until next time, scream, boy, scream.